Hello, everybody. This is Anita. Welcome to my show, Speak Brave. Today, the topic is the frictionless life 3 protocols for undeniable influence to lead a frictionless life. If you watched my last video, you know the core rules of the 3 P's, which is presence, poise, and precision. Protocol saves time where rules fail. Ambiguity is costing you energy and opportunity. At Speak Brave, we install the strategic operating system that eliminates that friction. Let's now go deeper into the 3 P's. Protocol 1, presence, the value first rule. It's an etiquette pointer. Your presence respects the listener's time. Don't demand attention. Provide context first. For example, stop doing this, opening with, "Do you have a minute?" Or, "Can I quickly ask you about the budget?" Start doing this. Say, "I need 10 minutes to review the new workflow. I believe we can achieve a 20% reduction in weekly errors." For value add, you gave the time commitment and the immediate return on investment, maximizing your chance of focused attention. Protocol 2, poise, the zero deflection policy. This is a personality parameter. Poise shatters when you let your emotions dictate your response to surprise. Your intention does not matter. The impact you make, however, does, and people remember it, especially if it's negative. The Speak Brave protocol. Stop doing this deflecting blame with, "That wasn't my department. I didn't mean for this to happen." Start doing this. Say, "The error occurred on my watch. I have already secured the resources to correct it by Tuesday. I've also advised the boss." Value add. By immediately moving past the error and onto the fix, you communicate maximum control and cement your image as a solution-oriented leader. Protocol 3, precision, the 3 times clarity check. This is a part of strategic English. Precision ensures your message is completely future-proof. If any part of the 3-part check is missing, you guarantee follow-up action. The Speak Brave protocol of the 3 times clarity check. Stop doing this, saying, "Please handle the document by tomorrow." Start doing this. Define everything: the single actor, the defined action, and the absolute deadline. For example, you can say, "Sarah, please finalize the sales forecast document and send it to me by 9 a.m. on Wednesday." Value add. This triple check saves everyone time and eliminates the exhausting cycle of confirmation requests, making your communication inherently reliable and specific. You have the intelligence. I provide the strategic correction if required to ensure it's respected. This is the protocol of confident living. This is the protocol of moving towards a wholesome personality. Click the link below and get in touch with me if you have anything to say to me. The number is in the description. Thank you very much. Good day and all the best till we meet again. God bless.